Walk on everybody. Oh, walk on everybody. So today we're there at Caymanas River. As you can see, may I use the microphone because copyright music are playing in the background, so may I use this. Hopefully not too loud. But today we are the metal detecting. Today we are the metal detecting. So basically we are searching for treasure. Well, what me consider treasure are like gadgets and jewelry. And you know, there's a water people swimming regular, and it's clear. So me can be able to see something at the bottom of the water with the help of this. And at the same time, hopefully we can find a phone, a GoPro, money, jewelry, what else? Just something me consider treasure. So yeah, we get started. Oh, we're there with Kayla. And Claud behind the camera.
Yeah.
And Tava on the right there, so. Alright, so I get started now. Alright everybody, so I'm doing a voiceover because there's copyright music in the background. And I'm just basically telling you guys to like and subscribe, leave a comment, you know, talk to me. Let me know if you like the video, if I should do more, and yeah.
Nobody full scale.
This spot have a lot of silt, so whenever anything will disturb the ground, cause it to look murky. As you can see, file paper is in the water. That is not good. I'm not going to do too much talking. As you can see, I find something right there. So, the next thing is because we don't have a snorkel. Not a snorkel, I don't have oxygen supply and I can't hold my breath for too long. Right, find a phone. This is my first find of the day. A phone. Bop, bop. Yo, find something.
Let me see. Wood.
First idea, a phone. Let's see if that turn on. Oh, we don't try that now. See that?
Yeah, phone.
Whatever it is we can find, and then BAM! This wasn't the second find, but this was, we cut out the other thing that we find. There's some random things. But yeah, to me this is my second find for the day.
The next find.
A G-Shock watch.
Ready for that spray? Yeah. But for that spray, water that though. Yeah.
We might have add a caption to this video as well for people that don't understand me. Or from now on, I have to practice speaking standard English, so that way I don't have to add any caption to the video and everybody understand me. As you can see, the water kind of murky right there. But as I go out more, get back clear. Right here, so even though the camera captured it, I never saw what that was until me hear something on the headphone. I'm gonna check on the more. I'm gonna look. I see something looking white, only to know it's a EarPods. Can't believe it, but nothing at all is in it. That random person over my head. So at this point, I'm excited. As I'm need to continue.
It's a jackpot.
I feel excited to find more things because I find a good amount of things so far.
It's empty.
And Claud throw away the EarPods. I'm just find it. Maybe you want to show it more, but Claud throw it tavern.
So I just sit down and find earpodless earpods. I don't know. We can go look if you see the earpods them under there. Yeah.
I believe that is $20. This is my first time metal detecting and first time metal detecting underwater. I can swim, but I cannot hold my breath for long. So because of that, I have to constantly going up, in and out of the water to catch breath. So
They're going for something. Oh, let's see how the shirt I works here.
yeah, at this point, I was considering investing in a scuba tank or to buy this. This I don't know what it is called, but it's this device that floats on top of the water and provide oxygen to me underneath the water. But that device is over 1,000 USD, and I don't have that 1,000 USD. So if you like this, I enjoy this content, and you want to see me do more of this, feel free to donate anything at all to my PayPal. The link is in the description. That money will goes towards the channel and used to improve the content. Like for example, a scuba tank or the electronic floating device that provides oxygen to me underneath the water.
So we find a bottle cap, $20 and a bottle. No? Find a piece by piece.
So right here I am showing Claud and Tavon what I found so far. And yeah. Oh, at this point I ditched the metal detector to roam a bit, and I was picking up plastic and garbage, and I realized I can't pick up all the plastic and garbage in this river, so I was considering coming back a next day or next time to do a cleanup video. So if you think I should do that, are you looking forward to that? Just let me know in the comments. Alright, look, as you can see here, a lot of plastic bottles and garbage is underneath here. Oh yeah, I dived down to took up these gases. Yeah, but as you can see, a lot of plastic is underneath this river that most people don't see. The water just look blue and pretty to them, but it is infested with plastic. So leave a comment. Let me know if I think I should come back and do a cleanup, and I would definitely do that. Even though it's going to be hard for me because I don't have scuba gears. Right here is where I found the Apple Watch. Thanks to the metal detector, I found this because right here was really murky because we was swimming there and I couldn't see there, but after a while it cleared up and I decided to go down and do a search, and see it there? Paid off.
Look at this, these are the biggest find for the day.
Everybody excited. Oh, and for this watch, it stopped work. You see, after I left it to dry and bring it home, it just die and don't come back on.
Yo, this are the biggest find for the day right now. Right now, I'm even about to go search some more. Look on this. Look on this. Look at this. Look at this now. When I see this, I find this. Right now, this will give me more motivation to go search again. I find an Apple Watch. And I give a call right there, sir. The metal detector did a buzz off right there, sir. But every time I go down, it's too murky and too much dirt and too much mud. But the clear up back a while ago, I go down there and search with my hand. And see it there? Right now, I have to go back again. But I have to leave for the next time because my battery is dead now. But maybe go through the water, look at it until the battery is dead still. But yeah, the Apple Watch. If you lost the Apple Watch, sir, leave a comment and let me know if I hear one. I know I need to check for it to see out for one, but me YouTube it. And I find, come on, listen to Claud. So this is everything I'm find. I find a bad bomber glasses. Bomber fridge. What? You know? What? This is dark as my door to the 8 of them. Yeah. And oh yeah, this are the first sign. Yeah. This was the first thing I find. See that? Let's see if that turn on. No, so they get water damage. It not turn on. I'm gonna go try to plug it in. Oh wait, the music in the background. Yeah, but just talk loud. Yeah, I can't, be music in the background. Not for talk loud. But this is the first find. It not turn on though. It not turn on. Look like it then after a good while. And I find this, a G-Shock watch. Where said that work, Tavan? No, it not work. Oh, it not work. I'm find this too. Oh! And EarPods, but no in it. An EarPod case. But not day and night. Claud said that work. So, you know? I'm gonna try this. I don't even know how to find this. No. You're not gonna know how to find that. You're not gonna know it though. Alright. And the next thing I find was I look at anklet. and me did find some local money and some bottle cap, but I dash them there. I never keep it. So that's all for the day, guys. Make sure you like the video and subscribe. I hope the music not too loud in the background, but yeah. Caymanas River.